Based on researches of blockchain technology, which are developing all over the world, LEVIAS provides the technology according to specific purposes. LEVIAS develops an automation system by deep learning program. The technology will be commoditized and contribute to the development of new experiences and services in all fields. In the fourth industrial revolution, IoT is regarded as one of the main elements. LEVIAS provides a network in which IoT, AI, and blockchain interact with one another. LEVIAS establishes an academy to raise engineers in state-of-the-art technology of blockchain, IoT, and AI to supply human resources for society.